I have a brilliant idea for a mobile app, but sadly, I have no clue how to code. So I thought, why not build an app with AI? Surely that would be easier than learning programming from scratch. So in this Base44 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a complete mobile app using this no-code app builder. Then you'll know how to use Base44, its potential, and whether it's a good choice for realizing your own idea. Okay, first let's talk about how the Base44 no-code platform works, in case you're new to the whole AI-powered app builder phenomenon. Unsurprisingly, you do have to sign up for a premium plan if you want to take advantage of this AI app builder. Base44 offers a wide range of plans for different needs and budgets. They all offer great value, especially when you look at the number of credits that you get each month for interacting with the AI to build your app. So for my project, I chose the builder plan because it includes all of the features that I need. So I'm mostly interested in the ability to export the code and launch my project on mobile app stores, since that's not possible with the cheaper plans. So if you have a similar idea, then be sure to use my discount link in the description to get started with Base44 at a lower price. Okay, and now for the exciting part, building the actual app. All right, now picture this. You open an app on your smartphone, you look up a nearby restaurant by name and location, and you instantly find out if it's worth checking out. Okay, yes, it's like other apps, but this app summarizes all the information available everywhere online. So it saves you time and money while you're searching for the perfect dinner spot. What could be better? And it would be a great help for me when visiting a new city or another country where I have no idea what's good. And I'm probably not the only one who would find such an app useful. So in theory, I could monetize it once it's live. Okay, enough daydreaming. Time to build an app with AI. You can get a head start with a pre-made template or start from scratch with just a written prompt. Personally, I'll type in a prompt and then I'll see how the Base44 AI mobile app builder interprets it. So make sure to keep your prompt clear and simple for the best results. You can even use another service like ChatGPT to refine your prompt. That way you're going to spend less time and fewer credits perfecting your idea. Alternatively, you can click the plan first setting to see what Base44 would build before it actually starts. Then you can make changes based on that. Anyway, once you've got the perfect prompt and hit send, it doesn't take long for Base44 to build your app. Just a few minutes to prepare the front and back end. And all you have to do now is sit back and watch the magic unfold. So you'll see what Base44 is building on the left side of the screen, while a preview of your app is on the right. But no matter how great your first prompt is, you most likely will still have to make some further changes. Don't get me wrong, the first version is pretty good. I can immediately check restaurants near me, their rating, and save them to my personal list for later reference. I can also search restaurants by name if I have something specific in mind. Still, I'd like to expand the app's functionality while adding my personal touch. So for example, I think it needs a map view of available restaurants to improve visual interaction in the app, since it's pretty bland right now. I could also create a reservation system, since Base44 easily integrates with Google services like Calendar, but those are just some ideas off the top of my head. You know, if I can't come up with anything, I can enable discussion mode and then brainstorm even more possibilities with the AI assistant. Of course, for such grand features, you'll have to write more prompts. If you want to make smaller changes though, you can use editing mode. Then you can manually change your app's visual elements like the fonts or the layout and other aspects. If you want to add some pictures or other extras, just click the plus button. But if all these mouse movements and clicks are too much work, then you can just make changes using text prompts. Okay, maybe that's not necessarily easier. The point is that you edit your app however your heart desires. But if your creativity gets out of hand and you've made a Frankenstein's monster out of your app, you can easily undo all your changes back to square one. There's even a handy versioning system if you know exactly where your creativity kind of went off the rails. Overall, for me, the editing experience was responsive, intuitive, and wasn't a huge time sink. I really had no trouble changing the app however I wanted, and I appreciate the included discussion mode. That helped me out when I was out of ideas. And once you're done putting the finishing touches on your app, it's time to release it into the wild for everyone else to enjoy. You have a few ways to tackle this. Some plans include GitHub integration, which lets you export front-end project files. But if you don't know what any of that means, you can launch your app to the public through the Apple App Store or Google Play. Simply export your app as a mobile version, make sure it meets the App Store or Google Play requirements, then upload your files using your Apple or Google developer account. And if you'd like to keep your app development costs low, the link in the description and this QR code offer a great discount on any Base44 plan. Okay, so although Base44 is just one of many AI app builders on the market, it does have some unique benefits that make it an appealing option. For starters, it's famous for its speed, letting you create your app's interface and underlying logic in one fell swoop. This makes it less complicated, which is great for beginners and non-technical creators. On the other hand, it's not a great option for big companies that want extensive customization and complete code ownership. So at that point, you should probably hire a team of in-house programmers. Just saying. So for my Base44 demo on how to build app with AI, I created a handy app that doesn't require an account or complex data storage, but rest assured that Base44 does take care of security if you want to build a website with AI that requires serious protection. Whether it's single sign-in options, data privacy, SOC 2 compliance, or secrets management, Base44 has you covered. Okay, and that's it for this Base44 tutorial. It's possibly the best AI app builder if you want to quickly build a cool project when you don't have a lot of technical knowledge. Just write a prompt, see the results, and then make some changes through hands-on editing or conversation with the AI. You just let your creativity run wild, and Base44 handles all the technical stuff. All right, see you next time. Bye.